Hi, it's Carla here at Mindset and Mayhem, and I'm doing a series of EFT taps for mothers because motherhood is a practice, right? And whether you knew it or not, you kind of like rolled out your yoga mat that you show up to every day when you became a mum, right? And so the practice can push a lot of buttons, and that's because we all had childhoods, so we all have something that we are comparing to in our brain, or we have triggers in our brain as well that quite often our children will push in us. So we will react instead of respond because we are unaware of some of the stuff that lingers in our mind and is attached to emotion. So this tap is actually not that deep. It's actually something that's a little bit light and bright and fun, but it's something that comes up when I speak to mothers, and that is that they did not sign up to cook dinner every single night of the week, and it creates some feeling, and then they snap at their partner, or they are just grumpy, or they don't end up making food that's great, or they just stomp around the house when really they're giving their energy away. And so this tap is to help to get that fun back, to get that frustration out, and to help bring some lightness and brightness to you as well, okay? So that you can stop reacting the way that you react when you are making dinner, because you feel a little bit frustrated, probably would be my word, or annoyed that that's your lot in life. I'm not quite too sure. Anyway, if you haven't tapped with me, you get a chance to tell me how you feel, because I leave spaces for you to say what is true for you. Very, very important. I will say a phrase, you will repeat it, you can change it if you want to, you can add sweary words as well. And then I will also leave some blanks where I will say, have a rant. And when you have a rant, you will say what is true for you, and you will just let go at all the frustrations and have a really big complaint, okay? It's really important that you get into that negative space, because if you don't get that energy into your body, you cannot clear that energy, right? Now, know that when you are tapping, you may yawn, your eyes may water, you may feel hot, you may feel cold, you may burp, your skin may prickle, and that's all okay. Just keep tapping. If you have a big emotion come up and you cry, just keep tapping, okay? You don't have to keep saying the things, you can just keep tapping, because that will help to clear the emotion that is being passed through your body. Know that there are tapping points, and you can go and watch one of my videos to get those tapping points if you need them specifically, or you can jump straight in. The more specific you are with your tapping points, the more dissolving or moving through of emotion that you're going to have. Okay, so why do I have to cook dinner? Let's start tapping on the side of the hand. Even though I have to cook dinner every night, you're repeating that, even though I have to cook dinner every night, put some emotion into it. I can love and accept myself. Even though I'm feeling, tell me how you're feeling, even though I'm feeling stroppy that I have to go and cook dinner every night, I can love and accept myself. Okay. Even though I have to cook dinner every night, I can love and accept myself for feeling a little bit off. Did you notice how I enunciated my words? And that's really important, because I'm getting into the emotion on the eyebrow. I have to cook dinner every night. Outside of the eye, I am so over cooking dinner every night. We're tapping 6 to 12 times under the eye. I just don't want to cook dinner every night. Under the nose, why can't someone else cook dinner every night? Chin, but it's not just dinner, it's the shopping, it's getting everything together, it's the picky eaters, it's the attitude when I serve it. Collarbones. Yeah, the attitude. Think about the attitude when you serve it. Under the arm, tell me about that attitude. And if I was doing a rant, it'd be that, oh, it's all right. It's the fact that no one gets excited that I've cooked dinner. I'm having my own rant here. You're having your rant about what it means to you. Eyebrow. And I just don't want to cook dinner every night. It's boring. Outside of the eye. And I just don't want to cook dinner every night because, tell me your word. I don't want to cook dinner every night because, tell me your word. Make it a false statement. Under the eye. And I don't want to cook dinner because, tell me again. Under the nose. And it feels so, how does it feel? Chin. And I wish that I didn't feel this way. Do you wish that you didn't feel that way? Collarbones, because I just want to have some fun. Under the arm. I forget life is 50-50. It's 50-50. It's 50% monotony. It's 50% fun or light and bright. Eyebrow, but I just still don't want to cook dinner every night. Outside of the eye, and I could choose not to. Under the eye, well, maybe I could find a way to make it easier. Under the nose, or maybe I could find a way to make it enjoyable for me. Chin, or maybe I could ask someone to help. Collarbones, or maybe I could just choose to feel a bit differently. So you're repeating that. Maybe I could just choose to feel a bit differently. Under the arm, it's really up to me. And then all over the top of the head, spread your fingers wide. I'm loved, I'm loving, I'm lovable. I can release this feeling if I want, or I can keep it. I can release this feeling if I want, or I can keep it. And then arms down. Taking a breath in, taking a breath out, closing your eyes. You see, I closed my eyes, forgot to give you the instruction, but did that. Taking another breath. And then just tap into, how do you feel about cooking dinner? Are you as frustrated? Are you as bored? Just wondering. You might want to go through it again. You might not. It's probably taking the edge off things. And I know I'm going to go and cook dinner and I'm going to listen to a podcast at the same time. And I'm probably going to go and find out why the neighbour is still grinding metal on my recording day when I've done my makeup. Anyway, ciao, ciao. Go with ease and grace.